guys, I'm here with Mario Mali. We just gave him this little plaque here because he hit $1 million in sales this year for 2019. So we just wanted to do a quick video with him and just kind of go over, why he does a Pacific franchise. So you've been doing irrigation a long time. You know it like the back of your hand, install, service. So why do you choose to use Pacific, franchise system? Why not just go and do your own business? Why would you pay Pacific to help you?
To tell the truth, I use Pacific because I make it math. In the end, for me, it's better to use them and to go on my own.
Mm-hmm. So what do they do for you on like a day basis?
He almost do everything. The only thing I have to go out and do the job. He do the bookkeeper, he do the
scheduling, all that stuff.
all the, calling for money, but doing everything.
Mm-hmm. So you just focus on the hard work,
just
what you know,
just to go
what
out.
you like to
I
do.
don't need to wake up to think for anything else.
Gotcha. All right, guys. Mario hit $1 million in sales this year. Doing good.
Thank you.